Hey, timeless queens, welcome back. Let's be honest with each other for a minute. You've been there, I've been there. You get a lovely dinner invitation, you pick out a gorgeous dress, and then you see it. The industrial strength girdle, the sausage casing, that piece of shapewear that requires a PhD in engineering and a team of 3 assistants just to get over your hips. You squeeze into it, you can't breathe, you can't eat dessert, and by 8 p.m., you're genuinely wondering if a rib has cracked. So here's what I decided a few years ago. Life is too short to spend it breathless for the sake of a flat stomach. And I'm going to say something a little controversial. The shapewear industry has been profiting off our insecurities for decades. They've told us we need to squeeze, suck, and suffer to look acceptable. That's not uncomfortable. That's insulting. At 50, 60, and beyond, we have earned the right to enjoy our dinner and still look like the most elegant woman in the room without sacrificing our ability to breathe or digest our food. So today, I'm showing you what I call the Great Shapewear Divorce. I've curated 6 stunning, sophisticated dresses that celebrate your curves while completely disguising a tummy. No spandex, no squeezing, no girdles required. We're talking silhouettes that skim, fabrics that drape, and designs that do the hard work for you, because looking put together should never feel like a workout. Whether it's a wedding, a brunch with the girls, or just a Tuesday where you want to feel fabulous, these looks will change the way you see your closet. If you're new to Timeless Queens, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. This is where women 50 and above come to learn real style secrets that work for real bodies. We don't torture ourselves for fashion. We use fashion to celebrate ourselves. Let's get into it. Dress number 1, the modern empire. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't that what Napoleon's wife wore? Or won't I look like I'm headed to a Regency ball? The answer is a resounding no. The modern version of this silhouette is the ultimate smoke and mirrors trick for the midsection. The secret is all in the placement. Most dresses try to cinch us at the natural waist, which for many of us is exactly where we're carrying a little extra joy. The modern empire ignores the waist entirely. It catches the body at its narrowest point, right under the bust, and then simply floats away. Look at the fabric. Weighted jersey or crisp linen. It doesn't cling to the tummy. It creates a straight, elegant line from the ribs to the floor. You could have a 3-course pasta dinner in this dress and nobody would be the wiser. To keep this from looking like a nightgown, look for structure. A V-neck or square neck elongates the torso. Keep the length midi or maxi. A short empire waist can look a bit little girl, but a long one? That's pure goddess energy. If you're self-conscious about your arms, layer a cropped bolero or shrug that ends right where the dress seam begins. That emphasizes that narrow point under the bust even more. Best part? When you sit down, there's no waistband cutting into your skin, no zipper gasping for air. You look like $1,000,000 and feel like you're in pajamas. That, my queens, is a fashion win. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It helps more women discover content like this. Dress number 2, the faux wrap. Now, we've all heard the praises of the wrap dress since the 1970s. It's the holy grail of feminine fashion. But let's be real, sometimes a true wrap dress feels like a high-stakes origami project. You're pulling at strings, the neckline is gaping. Heaven forbid a breeze catches that slit while you're walking into church. Enter the faux wrap. All the glamour of the silhouette, none of the wardrobe malfunctions. What makes this a tummy-hiding powerhouse? Diagonal lines. A straight horizontal line across your midsection acts like a highlighter. It says, look right here. But a diagonal line, That's a magician's distraction. The gathered fabric creates a sunburst effect from the hip. Soft folds literally drape over the stomach area. It doesn't hide your shape, it reinterprets it into an hourglass, whether you have one or not. When shopping, look for matte jersey or high-quality ITY knit. These fabrics have weight. They don't cling like thin t-shirt material. The built-in V-neck elongates your neck and draws the eye up towards your smile. If the V is a little too daring, don't reach for a safety pin. That ruins the drape. Just pop a beautiful lace camisole underneath. It adds elegance and keeps things modest. Because it's a faux wrap, the skirt is sewn shut. You can sit, dance, and get in and out of a car with total confidence. You get the cinched look of a wrap dress with the security of a pull-on style. Elegant, effortless, and completely girdle-free. Drop a comment. Are you team wrap dress or have you been avoiding them because of wardrobe malfunctions? Dress number 3, the structured shift. If you've ever felt like you had to choose between looking tailored and being able to breathe, meet my favorite power look, the structured shift. We're not talking about a shapeless sack. We're channeling the 1960s. Think Jackie O or Audrey Hepburn. This is the ultimate CEO of the family dress. It says you're polished, organized, and definitely not wearing a girdle. The magic of a shift dress is that it hangs from the shoulders, not the waist. But here's the 50-plus secret. The fabric must have guts. If you buy thin, flimsy cotton, it'll blow against your tummy and show every ripple. But a structured fabric, ponte knit, heavy linen, or wool blend, acts like a shield. It holds its own shape instead of taking on yours. It creates a smooth, straight line from bust to hem, skimming right over the midsection like it isn't even there. Because a shift dress is a blank canvas, it's perfect for your favorite jewelry. Look for a jewel neck or boat neck to broaden the shoulders. That makes the waist to look smaller by comparison. Length? Just at the top of the kneecap or slightly below. It's sophisticated, timeless, and one of the most forgiving dresses you'll ever own. You're not hiding, you're just standing tall. If you haven't subscribed to Timeless Queens yet, do that now. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Style Truth Session. Stop hiding intense. Quick truth session, ladies. When we start feeling self-conscious about our midsection, our first instinct is to go big. Oversized tunics, giant muumuus, tent dresses. We think if I hide under enough fabric, nobody will see my tummy. But here's the cold, hard truth. Too much fabric actually makes you look larger. If the dress has no shape, the eye assumes you have no shape underneath. When you wear a sack, you lose your shoulders, your neck, and your legs. You become a rectangle. The goal isn't to hide. The goal is to skim. Fabrics that follow the idea of your body without clinging to the reality of it. A dress that fits your shoulders perfectly but floats over your stomach is infinitely slimming than a garment 3 sizes too big. So if your closet is full of tents, give yourself permission to retire them. You aren't a camping trip. You're a woman with a life and style. Stop swimming in your clothes. Start wearing them. Dress number 4, the pleated trapeze. If you want a dress that does all the work while you enjoy the party, the pleated trapeze. It flares out from the shoulders in a wide A shape, but the real secret weapon? The pleats. Accordion pleats are a miracle of engineering for the mature wardrobe. Because the lines are vertical, they automatically draw the eye up and down, making you look taller and leaner. Here's the magic. When you stand still, the pleats hang straight, skimming over your tummy. But when you move or sit, they expand exactly where you need them to. They never pull, never pinch, never reveal a pouch. It's like a built-in privacy screen that looks like $1 million designer piece. Keep the length at the calf or ankle. The extra length adds weight so the pleats hang beautifully. A simple crew neck or halter works best. Let the pleats be the star. This is the ultimate outdoor wedding or breezy brunch dress. It catches the air and moves with you like you're floating through the room. Feminine, modern, and the ultimate all-you-could-eat buffet dress. No girdle, no worries, just pure elegance. Comment below, which dress style are you most excited to try? Dress number 5, the color blocking dress. If you've ever wished you could just swipe away a few inches from your waistline, this is for you. I call it the real-life Photoshop dress. Here's how the magic works. The human eye is naturally drawn to light and color first. By having a bright or patterned panel right down the center, the eye focuses on that narrow strip. The dark panels on the sides, where we might tarry a little extra around the hips or tummy, simply recede into the shadows. It's an optical illusion that trims 3 to 4 inches off your profile instantly. You aren't squeezing anything in, you're just directing the audience where to look. For elegance at 50 plus, look for a stable knit like ponte or scuba fabric. It needs to be smooth so the lines stay sharp. A simple scoop or boat neck keeps the focus on the vertical stripe. This dress creates a powerful, athletic, sophisticated look. Perfect for a business meeting, wedding, or any event where you want to feel snatched, but still breathe. If you're getting value from this video, hit that like button. It helps more women find this content. Dress number 6, the tiered maxi. If your style leans more boho chic or effortless elegance, let's talk about the tiered maxi. This is the dress that says, I'm on vacation, even if you're just running errands. It's romantic, cool in the heat, and the absolute queen of camouflage. The secret is where the tiers begin. You want the first tier to start at your high waist, that narrow area just below your ribs. From there, the fabric cascades down in soft volumes. Because the dress is broken into horizontal sections, the eye doesn't settle on one spot. Instead of seeing a tummy line, the eye sees a series of beautiful flowing waves. The volume is intentional, so any extra in the middle just blends into the design. Avoid anything too stiff. You want fabric that dances when you walk. Fit is key in the shoulders and bust. If it fits well up top, the volume below looks like a style choice, not a tent. A simple leather slide or low wedge adds just enough height to keep proportions balanced. Feminine, breezy, and the ultimate throw-on-and-go piece. No zippers to struggle with, no shapewear to tug at, just pure tiered perfection. Subscribe to Timeless Queens right now so you don't miss more styling secrets like these. Outro. 6 dresses, 6 ways to feel like a queen, and not a single girdle in sight. Ladies, remember, fashion after 60 isn't about disappearing. It's about being seen on your terms. You can be elegant, you can be trendy, and most importantly, you can be comfortable. Which of these 6 was your favorite? Are you a Jackie O shift girl or a boho maxi lover? Let me know in the comments. I genuinely want to hear which dress resonated with you the most. And if you're ready to officially retire those sausage casing undergarments, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments that you're breaking up with shapewear for good. If you're not already subscribed to Timeless Queens, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now because we drop styling wisdom every week for women 50 and above who refuse to sacrifice comfort for style. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay comfortable, and remember, you deserve to breathe. I'll see you in the next video.